Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In this video I'm purely going to show you the contents of the box so that you get to know what you're getting for your money. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's available in various colours and various capacities. This unboxing applies to all of them. The content is going to be the same, it's just the colour that will change. So we've got a picture of the iPhone on the front. This is the natural titanium colour. If you've purchased a different colour, it will have that particular colour printed on the front. We've also got iPhone on the sides and of course the Apple logo on this side here. And on the back there will be some details about the iPhone, such as the serial number here. We've got a couple of pull tabs, one at the top, one at the bottom. So we can pull these across. Here we go, let's take a look for the first time. Wow, that looks so nice. So this is the natural titanium colour. So we've obviously got the iPhone inside the box, which is a good thing to see. So we just take that out and pop it to one side. Of note, it will have a screen protector on the front of the phone. And then the rest of the contents is here. So we have got a braided cable, and a change for the iPhone 15 range is that it's now USB-C. So this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Really nice quality braided cable. And then we've got this here, which is some information and the SIM removal tool. So we've got the little tool there for removing the SIM. We've got some safety information on these sheets here. And then we have got the Apple sticker. It looks like there is absolutely zero instructions on how to turn this on, which is pretty self-explanatory nowadays anyway. But before, you would normally have expected a little tiny colour printed sheet in there. So let's take a very quick look at the iPhone. So we have got those really nice cameras on the back. Beautiful matte finish on this back glass, that's really nice to see. We've got the power on off button on this side here, and then on this side here we've got the new multi-function button. We've got the volume up and down, and we've got the SIM tray just here. And then of course just under here we have got the USB-C connector for charging the phone, and of course the speakers. Let's remove this for the first time. And there we go. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It feels very nice in the hand, really nice quality. And as I say, I just wanted to give you a first look at what you get inside the box. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.